We realize not everyone thinks insurance is as exciting as we do.
Yeah, sometimes they may even get a little bit miffed with their policies or with their agent.
Usually, it's because they don't understand their policies or they haven't had them explained to them correctly. And that's why today we're here to explain a few miffed conceptions in this edition of Mythbusters.
Today, we're going to talk about something that really miffs off my clients who are,
Increasing in years and wisdom?
Yes. Yeah. Thank you, Jodi. Increasing in years and wisdom are often quite miffed by the rising cost of life insurance. And by the time a lot of them realize the need for life insurance, the premiums are really high, leaving them really miffed.
Exactly. If only we had a time machine to send our young clients out on fast forward into the future. The good news is that life insurance is actually quite affordable and can be a great benefit for your family.
Absolutely. And you know, a lot of people think they're all set because they have a life insurance policy through work, but very few places offer that benefit, and a lot of times it only kicks in if you're injured at work.
And some people don't realize that if they leave that company, whether it be through their choice, disability, or layoffs, that benefit ends, leaving them with no life insurance or life insurance for much higher premiums.
And having life insurance through work is great, but it should accompany policies that are personally owned so that you can insure affordable life insurance throughout someone's life.
Absolutely. Whether it's a term life or a whole life policy, it's important to cover your life currently, but be prepared for what your future may hold.
Well, yeah, and talk about life insurance in the future. I met with a client who didn't realize he would have so many options when he purchased his whole life policy. He thought he was only locking in his premium for his whole life.
Oh no, there are so many miffed understandings about life insurance. I had a similar situation where I was reviewing with clients and they were preparing to retire, and they didn't realize that they had so many different options out there for them. They thought that they just needed to forfeit their policy because they couldn't afford their premiums. Yeah, but I told them about reduced paid up policies or possibly even using the cash value of their existing policy to pay for their current premiums. They were very grateful for that, and I'm glad that they didn't forfeit their policy.
Well, right. And there are so many options available.
So many people get miffed about life insurance, whether they think that it's unattainable or the cost of a whole life policy is too high, or they just don't understand their policy at work. So it's really important that they come and they meet with their agent and to discuss the options that they have available to them so they can plan for their future properly.
At our Farm Bureau insurance agencies, we want happy clients who aren't miffed.
And that's why we see our clients at least every 24 months to review and explain all of their coverages and bust the myths before they happen.